I'm excited to tour you the Brighton floor plan. This is a model home. It comes with 6 bedroom plus a den, 2.75 bath. It's a 2-story, 2-car garage, and it sits on 3,657 square feet. Let's view this property. Here's the den on the main floor. Let's go into the main entry. You have this stairway leading to upstairs to the 2nd floor, a formal dining table. Let me show you the floor plan and the community. Here is the community map, and out of 21 homes, 11 are already sold. We have just 10 left, and this shows you on the green which one is available. And if it's in white, that means there's no price, no foundation yet. And those are great properties to get into early because you can reserve the lots. The Brighton floor plan comes with a vaulted ceilings with bright lights entering the formal dining area. We have a full bath. This is called 0.75, and it is a standing shower on the main floor. When you're purchasing a DR Horton property in today's market, everything comes with the house. There are only 3 items that you'll have to upgrade, but you'll see here that you get these beautiful quartz countertop, these beautiful backsplash that go all the way up throughout your cabinet. What you'll need to upgrade is the refrigerator. It does not come with a refrigerator. You can order the refrigerator when you purchase a home, or you can add it after you move in. You'll also need to purchase your own blinds. It does not come with blinds. It's nice that you already have the screens built in, but the blinds will be something that you'll need to include as an addition. You'll also need to include a washer dryer when you're purchasing a home, or you know what? Sometimes you can negotiate it into your price. This is the Andover floor plan. This home features 5 bedroom, a bonus, a recreation room. It comes with 3 stories, 3.25 bath, and their square feet is 4,800 square feet. Come on, let me show you this floor plan. Let's go. Welcome to the Darlington. This home features 5 bedrooms with a bonus and a den. It is 3-story, 2-car garage, 3.25 bath, and it is 3,726 square feet. If you like what you see, like and subscribe below for information on new construction in Renton and Issaquah.